In this instruction video, I will show you how to import DICOM serial images into the MR radiomics platform. First of all, please download the malleable codes of these platforms through this link. Once you finish the download, please unzip it into the drive you'd like to place. In the following demo, I will use the data downloaded from the TCIA-GBN database, which is the database collected in the TCIA website, specifically for the glioblastoma MR images. Following the data usage policy regulated by the TCIA is recommended. Now let's go to the unzipped MRP Vivo folder. As you can see right here, there are several different folders including in this package, and one specific P file, MRP.P file. This one is used to initiate the platform. I will show you how to do this later. And also you can find that there are several different packages, such as the efficient LBP, medical image reader and viewer, NII library, SIFT 3D, and SPM8. These 5 packages are downloaded from different teams, and I encourage you to visit their website to find out more detailed information. And now let's go to the malleable environment. I encourage you to set paths from the Home tab right here to include the MRP Vivo folder. So click the Add Folder button right here and select the MRP Vivo folder that you unzipped, this one, and click Save for the future usage, and close. Now, to ensure that you have already set the path correctly, please type MRP in uppercase in the command window right here, and click Enter. This will initiate the program right here, so you can see the GUI, the graphic user interface. This means that you have already set up the path correctly. Before we import DICOM images into this platform, we need to make sure the data are ready. So as you can see right here, I have already downloaded 3 TCGA-GBN dataset right here, and I will take TCGA-02-004 as the example. So first of all, I right-click this folder and check how many files was included in this subject. So overall, 499 files. So let's go inside. You will see one specific folder inside this, and going deeper, you will see multiple different folders. And within each folder, you can see there are multiple DICOM files included in each folder. So now, if we want to import all the DICOM images from this subject, just go back to the root folder, this one. You can simply copy the path from here and paste it to this edit and click Enter. As you can see right here, over 499 files is currently reading into this program, as you can see right here. And another way, if you don't want to copy and paste, you can simply click the Open button, and now you can go to the specific folder you'd like to read. For example, again, this one. Click the Choose folder. As you can see right here, again, the program will take several seconds to several minutes to read all the images into the program. In the leftmost panel right here, you will see all the files are listed right here. And then, following the DICOM tag stored in each DICOM file, we will use 5 specific labels to sort all the DICOM images. These 5 labels are patient ID, starting number, serial number, and as well as the series name, and the slide location, and finally the instance number. So I will take these 5 tag as the identifier to sort all the image files. So as you can see right here, now we have one specific patient, TCGA-02-0048, And the study number, as you can see right here, is labeled as the study date is 1999 and January 29. And you can see right here within this specific study, there are 10 different series included. So once you click a different series number right here, you will see there will different images were loaded. Different images were loaded, like the actual flare imaging, T2 weighted images. And within one specific series, you can see they have different slice location. Now you can again click a different slice location to see different images, or you can simply use the down arrow button, okay, to screen over different slices. Okay. And in some specific cases, you will see within one slice location, you may have two images. It is common in the dual echo image sequence for the T2 weighted and probe density. And then you can select right here. But in this case, you can only see one image in specific slice location right here. And in the right panel, you can use your mouse, the right click, and just shift your mouse, shift up and down or left and right. You can adjust the window center and window width. So you can adjust the image contrast if you'd like to do. And finally, you can see in the right lower corner right here, you can see all the image information retrieved from the DICOM tag. So you can see the basic information right here include several different items right here. And also you can switch to different tabs such as the image information. So you can read out the matrix size, the spatial resolution, and so on and so forth. If you want to switch the color map for the image display, you can simply click the pop-up menu and just choose the color 1. And this is exactly the jet color map, and typically useful for displaying the blur fallen, blur flow, or MTD map extracted from the provision weighted images. And as you may see right here, there are several other buttons right here. For example, you can use the Copy All Series button to separate the different DICOM files into different folders. As we mentioned before, that originally you cannot intuitively differentiate the different folders because the number was labeled in each folder, not the series name. So now you can use this button. Just click Copy All Series, then the program will copy all the series within the selected study number right here into the assigned directory. So maybe I can pick one folder right here. I just create one folder like 10. Okay, I just assign the path. So you will see the program will go through all the series, copy all the DICOM images into the assigned folder. So you can see right here, now the program helps you to rename the folder with the patient ID right here, series number, and also the series name right here. So now you can very easily to identify which folder contains the specific DICOM images. And for the other buttons, because they are designed for other purpose, I want to go through details for each of them. The next one we will going to introduce is this one, multimodality RI, which will first bring out the image code registration windows and then help you to do the multimodality RI. So this is a general introduction about how to import the DICOM images and how to view the basic information, some information stored in the DICOM text.